Have you ever seen lightning first and heard thunder later? That little delay tells a big scientific story. It shows us that light and sound do not move the same way. Light is a fast traveler. It races through space so quickly that, for earthly distances, it often feels instant. When you switch on a lamp, the light reaches your eyes almost immediately. Light can move through empty space, which is why sunlight can travel to Earth even though there is no air between the sun and our planet. Sound is a slower traveler. It needs a material to pass through, such as air, water, or solid objects. Sound moves by making tiny vibrations in these materials, like a row of falling dominoes. When one air particle wiggles, it nudges the next one, and the message keeps hopping along. Imagine two runners starting at the same line. One is a rocket, and the other is a bicycle. Light is the rocket. Sound is the bicycle. Both can reach a finish line, but light gets there much sooner. This difference helps explain everyday events. If you clap your hands far away, you may see the clap before you hear it. If a firework bursts in the sky, the bright flash arrives first, and the boom follows later. The farther away the event is, the bigger the delay becomes. Scientists learned about these movements over many years. Careful experiments showed that light is not carried by air in the same way sound is. They also discovered that sound cannot travel in a true vacuum, while light can. That is why space is silent, yet full of sunlight. Sound and light are both forms of energy, but they move in different ways. Light travels as an electromagnetic wave, and sound travels as a mechanical wave that needs matter. This is one reason our world is full of both quick flashes and gentle echoes. So next time you see lightning and count the seconds before thunder arrives, you are watching the race between light and sound. The flash wins, and the sound follows behind, giving you nature's own time delay.